Hello and welcome back to another video on Tutorial Guru. Today we're going to be teaching you how you can recover your Facebook account that has been deleted permanently. But before getting started, remember to support our channel, hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on your notification bells to get notified every time we post a new video. Let's get started. So you have scheduled your Facebook account for deletion. But if it hasn't completely been 30 days since you've set your account for deletion, there is still a chance that you can recover your account. However, if it has crossed these 30 days limits, then there is no way you can recover your Facebook account. But if you're still within this 30-day limit, go ahead and open your Facebook app. Now go ahead and enter your email address and your password that you had set for this account. After you've done that, simply tap on the login button. And then you'll be led to this page. As you can see, my account was scheduled for deletion on December 7, 2023. Since it hasn't reached that date, I can still recover my account. So if I want to recover my account, I'm going to go ahead and tap on Yes, Continue to Facebook. However, if you still want to delete your account, simply tap on the logout button that appears on the bottom of your screen. If you want to recover, tap on Yes, Continue to Facebook. As you can see, I've been logged into my old Facebook account that I had set for deletion, and this is how you can recover your old Facebook account that you've set to delete permanently. I hope this video was useful. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments down below, and thanks for watching.